Don't tell your dream. Don't tell your dreams to everybody around. Some people smile but wanna see you down. Keep it quiet, don't make a sound. Let your success be what shakes the ground.
Don't tell your dreams to everybody around. Some people smile but wanna see you down. Keep it quiet, don't make a sound. Let your success be what shakes the ground.
Haven't earned a million yet, but I'm aiming for the sky. One day I'll fill a stadium, watch the crowd multiply. Talking about my hard work, now they're watching every move. This next step is just a warm-up, got a lot more to prove. Secure my position, now my partners are impressed. Used to stress at the starting line, now I'm chasing nothing less. Work smart, not hard, that's how the maximum is made. Got local currency for now, but the dollar's on the way. I cannot forgive betrayal, that's a line I won't erase. I don't need the fame, just the power and the place. Competitors chase numbers, ready, set, go, start the race. I'm running too, but with patience, keeping steady pace. Got a mentor by my side, that's the way it's meant to be. Against the crowd we stand out heavy, they can clearly see. Focused on results, never begging for attention. Built our foundation in the streets with pure intention.
Don't tell your dreams to everybody around. Some people smile but wanna see you down. Keep it quiet, don't make a sound. Let your success be what shakes the ground. Don't tell your dreams to everybody around. Some people smile but wanna see you down. Keep it quiet, don't make a sound. Let your success be what shakes the ground.
Don't tell your dream. Don't tell your dreams to everybody around. Some people smile but wanna see you down. Keep it quiet, don't make a sound. Let your success be what shakes the ground.
Don't tell your dreams to everybody around. Some people smile but wanna see you down. Keep it quiet. Let your success be what shakes the ground.
Hello, 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 hello. Am I live? Yes, I believe I'm live. I believe I am live. Anyway, so much for that. A long time since I've been in these chats. Been a minute or a second or a day or a month or two. But anyway, I am here, going in hard, and yeah. Welcome to the chats, man. Welcome to the chats. Hope you can see my stream. Yeah. Let me do this. I have some things to. Yeah, there we go. So how do I do my analysis? So yeah, I'm live, man. I am live. Yes, everything is good. So I start my stream by marking up if it is in the week, if it is a new week or a new month. I start by marking basically the high and the low, which is the buy side of the previous month and the sell side of the previous month. I start by marking those. In the weekly, I come in and mark the previous week high and the low, which are denoted with the buy side and the sell side of the previous week. And the daily also, I mark the high and the lows. There we go. Then now I look, we are generally on a we are on a downtrend and a heavy one in that case. So what's happening today? Today we are 1 hour into the Asian session open. Yeah, there are some setups which have already happened. The setup was already occurred with the sales. Is good. Never took any. Hope I'm audible. Anyway, these are my rules here on my right, and I come on the 4 hour. I mark the 4 hour high and the 4 hour low. The previous 4 hour high and the low. And the 1 hour also I do that. I mark the high and the low, which is pretty much that. And I start analyzing what is happening in the market. And it's not much that is happening, but of course what I'm seeing is from selling from Monday, here Monday, from selling from Monday, we started pushing down after taking the highs of Friday highs. After we took the Friday's highs, market just started plummeting from Tuesday. All right, we saw that those liquidity being taken out, and we started just pushing lower and lower. All right, don't worry about what I'm marking. So I have marked the 1 hour high and the 1 hour low of the previous candle. On the 30 minutes, I just look at what is happening in the markets. There is not much really that is going on. Ooh. I am analyzing the market structure and some of marking up my whatever I'm marking up. This is my strategy. This is what my strategy is telling me. Whatever I'm marking up is based on my strategy. So don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. I'm just marking some confluences that were being confirmed in the markets, and I am understanding them on how they are playing out. Alright, don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. So as I am looking at this, the market is essentially pretty much on the downside. Alright, nothing much is happening. Yeah, I'm marking. Basically, this is my strategy. Whatever I'm marking is basically my strategy. Whatever these I'm marking, these icons in their charts, they are basically my strategy. I look on the 3 minutes. There is a setup here. But the sell setup is not really valid. It's not entirely valid. Why? The market has just started selling from this level, from the market open, doing what? Taking out the previous day low. Okay, you see this, and we have taken out the low of the previous one. Now what is this entirely telling me? It's entirely telling me that there were buy orders which were sitting here and stop levels that were sitting here for people who are buying the markets. Meaning what? Price is essentially willing to take out these orders to continue pushing high. All right. So for now, what am I waiting for? For now, I'm highly waiting for a buy setup. All right. I'm considering to take a buy setup, even though we are in this, what we are looking here on the 15, we're in this is massive sell-off. But a clean setup will happen when we have a clean market structure shift. So is there a clean market structure shift on my execution candle or on the 3 minutes? I do not trade any lower than that. I believe there was something that happened here on the 15 seconds and the 30 seconds time frame for us to push like that. For me, I don't trade that way. I do not trade anything lower than the 3 minutes. Bro, that is not my cup of tea. Or that is not what the strategy requires. The strategy does not require me trading anything lower than the 3 minutes. If it is below 3 minutes, no. We just had the break of this supply here, meaning the supply did not have any momentum compared to the liquidity that was lying at this particular level. So what am I waiting here? I'm waiting for some sort of market structure so that I can push this market to the upside. I agree, we have taken the liquidity the sell side liquidity of the previous day, but I'm just not going to enter blindly. All right, reason being, the market has taken orders here. So what am I going to do now? I'm just gonna wait for something to happen here, and as I wait for something to happen, I'm gonna wait also for higher time frame confirmation. I look at the higher time frame. What is the higher time frame telling me? The higher time frame is telling me that I am sitting on a demand level here. That I am sitting on a demand level here, which has been tapped once and rejected. Now it is being penetrated the second time, for a lack of a better word. And it is more likely to push higher. So also look, where are we trading? We are trading below the previous week low, or the sell side of this week. Is this sell side really holding the markets? No. How do I know that? When yesterday we took out this low during the landing session, there was a setup here on the 1 hour based on with my strategy, but price failed to continue pushing higher. So I know that this sell side is not holding price, meaning what? This price is more willing to continue pushing lower. And what does that tell me about the sell side liquidity of yesterday? It tells me this is not probably gonna hold. This was just a sweep. These are two types of liquidity sweep and, let me see. Oh yeah, liquidity sweep and liquidity grab. So this was a liquidity grab here. This was a liquidity grab. You see the way we wicked, the candle wicked. Alright. But in a liquidity, yeah, there's a reversal, clear reversal. Liquidity grab is a 1 week. Don't ask me how I know that, I just know. So this was a liquidity grab. Alright, what's the other thing on the 4? Ooh, the 4 is crazy, man. The 4 is pretty much mental. The 4, we are coming for the second time to tap inside this demand. Is it the second time? Yeah, the very second time we are tapping into this demand. Is it gonna hold? I believe it's gonna hold, because we need at least 3 taps for this to be absolute, for demand to absolute, or any major news event. And that takes me back to news. What is happening today? I have to refresh this. Today is on a Wednesday. Oh damn, today is on a Wednesday. Nothing major on the USD dollar pair. Other news like Trump talking, let me see, is Trump talking? No. Any other thing? Don't consider it. All right, so we have that. I am seeing a small setup here, but this setup is very cheeky. I call it it is very cheeky, very cheeky. First entry break on the 3 minutes is a very cheeky setup here. You see the equilibrium, we came into the equilibrium, you have your stop loss around here on whatever area, then you aim. So if price is acting on this, you may actually get to this particular levels here, but as for now I'm just gonna wait, knowing back in my mind that we are generally in a bearish market, so it is more likely to, it is advised to trade within the trend, take the trades within the trend. All right, not unless I see a clear market structure shift on these lower time frames, I'm not willing to risk my business to one position. And now I'm looking, there's high likelihood we test this low. All right, with that likelihood of price just coming in, test this low, then maybe we may have the continuation. The reason why I am saying I'm willing to look for sales, yet we have taken both the sell side of the previous week and the sell side of yesterday, Tuesday, is because I have not seen a clear reversal after taking this sell side, meaning what? The selling pressure is alive in the markets. The selling pressure is still there in the markets. This is gonna be that type of market. Still nothing much. If I pull this indicator, we had a break structure here, a change of character here. Nothing major. Yeah. There is a setup here, a buy setup to continue pushing this market higher. But is that a clear setup to risk your business too? No, it is not. So in the meantime, you're just gonna wait. So this is a setup that is running, but is this setup good enough to risk your business on? For my side, no. And it is actually about to hit full take profit. So yeah, that has hit full take profit there. With the market are volatile, we are volatile. So yeah, that was a first setup there. I'm currently doing some development here and there. We're taking out this. So I'm coding something here. So instead of drawing these things by hand, I just have them drawn on the charts on its own. Alright, they get to be drawn on the charts on its own. So today I just want to make some analysis, nothing much. We have like 2 hours to go until market close. So there was this setup here, but yeah, I never got to take it. It is so we are doing these streams when there's nobody there. So again, the reason why I did not take this setup is because I did not see a clean reason to risk my business. Okay, I know I've just analyzed and said that we have done a liquidity grab, so it is best to look for buy setups to continue push the market up. I know I said that, wait for model to appear for me to take up trade. I know I said that, but the reason why I did not take this is because first of all I was talking, I was yapping or ranting, whatever. I was yapping, telling you how I analyze my charts, and that's why sometimes I don't like coming live. Sometimes you get to miss some of these trades. So we just come into our first obstacle, and the first obstacle is a supply. All right, we're tapping on this supply. Another thing that I need to do is adjust this zone. All right. So every time you have a new hour candle open, I have to adjust. So when you come into this time frame, you look at what is happening, and you say that we have taken out the 1 hour, the previous 1 hour high, but that does not matter because the higher time frame holds a lot of pressure or a lot of meaning compared to these lower time frames. So yeah, they are set up now. So what will I be waiting for now? For now, really, I am not waiting for anything until I say something happen. For now, I will just wait for the next hourly candle open. To be honest with you, so we never took this setup here because one, I'm just giving excuses for now. So this is a missed setup there. Okay, sitting on our hands here, man. Also trading is so boring. Nobody tell you that trading is exciting or whatever. This is the most boring thing that you can ever do in your entire life. Once you master the ins and outs, it's so boring. So boring. So we are reacting to this supply here on the 15 minutes, which honestly speaking, I don't think we're gonna hold. Yeah, so this is trading. Maybe I can watch this video about liquidity sweep and whatever.
So you can think about it as a more slow and deceptive trap. And to understand why the price moves like this, we of course need to think about, what happens above key levels. So if this right here was the key level from before, you already know that when the price breaks these levels, first of all, many buy orders will come in from people trying to buy the breakout. Many traders see the price pushing above the key level and buys. That leads to buying pressure. But remember here that we also have short traders that have their buy stop orders above this key level. So when the price pushes into these buy stop orders, it leads to even more buying pressure. So that is the first part of the liquidity sweep, lots of buying pressure. And that is what pushes the price all the way up to this point right here. But what then happens with the liquidity sweep is that smart money sees all of these buying pressure, or they actually, on purpose push the price into this level to get, the buying liquidity so that they can sell. And this usually leads to a sharp reversal here to the downside. In simple terms, the smart money starts the selling pressure here, but once the price really start to fall, we will actually see the traders that try to buy the breakout right here. Remember, they have their stop loss orders here to the downside. So once the price really start to fall to the downside, many normal stop loss orders will get triggered, and this leads to even more selling pressure. So that is, roughly how the liquidity sweep plays out. The next part.
Basically, that is what he's saying. He's saying like liquidity sweep price slowly breaks a swing high or swing low. Traps break out, traders then reverses sharply. A slow deceptive trap. Liquidity grab is different. A fast wick that pokes through a level and immediately rejects the obvious manipulation move. Okay. Liquidity run keeps price takes the level, keeps going. This is a real breakout, not a trap. All right, that explains it. Anyway. For me, I'm really willing to take sell setups. That I will assure you. If I get a sell setup here, I am taking that to the bank, because as for now we haven't seen any market structure shift. We're still having this, all right? A high, another high, equal highs here. I'm still seeing that, you see? I'm still seeing that. Yes, we broke this high, but is it gonna hold? It is not that strong. I'm still seeing that. See, that is what I'm still seeing. This is not gonna hold. This is just a very small inconvenience that was broken. Look at the 15, bro. Look at this. We need to at least take out this supply. We need to take out this supply. Look at the 30 minutes. Yes, we are holding this. Is this demand gonna hold? Probably not. Alright. Maybe you're reacting from the 1 hour, we're taking out this 1 hour. So yeah, I was telling you about this, building this. So you just have the same thing here. Nothing has changed. Okay, you see, nothing has really changed. Just the same thing. So you look at the 15, and just tap into that. So yeah, I'm coding this so that on CTrader I can have the same thing being displayed. Let's see. Yeah, you see. So I can have the same thing being displayed there. Instead of using I'm in another different chart. So you guys cannot see what I'm doing, so let me do this. So I have the same thing on desktop, you see. Oh, we have taken out, oh damn, that is not good. We go to the 15 and we look at the 15. Yeah. What? We should just stick around there. Oh, look at that, man. This demand, I don't think it's going to do anything in terms of holding price. Look at that. I told you guys it's not gonna hold. There's just too much selling pressure, man. Too much. Too much selling pressure. Too much selling pressure, too much selling pressure, alright? This is too much selling pressure. Told you we are trading. This is the level. Yeah, you see, there was no a clear market structure shift. That's why I'm aiming to sales. One could say, why did you not take these cells here? True, there's cell setups here, but I'm only executing on the 3 minutes. That is my execution time frame. These other time frames are for just showing me the confluences. You see that? Now, instead of drawing this by hand every time, when we go to this, you guys can see, you see, to just cut itself. Such a beautiful tool. What a beautiful tool to have. An amazing tool, I tell you. You can have this dotted. what cannot hinder our beings. Ooh, I forgot to pray. This one thing that I said that I want to do. I want to be praying for these sessions. Let me pray. Father, in the mighty name of Jesus Christ, I come before the presence of Father this good morning that you've given unto me, this beautiful day, another day that you've enabled me to see. I give you the praise, of Father, thanking and uplifting your holy name, O God. I'm not a faithful servant, O God, as you may want me to be, but, O God, I pray that you may help me be one. O God, this staging session, O Father, I've not been consistent about them, O Father. Help me, O God, guide me, O Father, when I start with these sessions, O Father, going live, O Father. I pray, O Lord, my God, that you may be with me. Give you the praise, I give you the honor. There's no other God like you. Asante Jehovah Jireh, asante Mungu Baba. May this session, O God, help me learn, help me gain knowledge of God, this strategy that you've given unto me. For this is in the mighty name of Jesus Christ, I do pray, trust and believe. Amen. So here lies the question. Here lies the question. The question that I want to pose on to you. Do you think we are going to test this law again? For me, yeah, I believe we are going to test that law again. And this one thing about my strategy, it moves fast. The 3 control strategy, if you're not there, boom, you missed it. Boom, you've missed it. Boom, you missed it. Boom, you missed it. So it essentially moves so fast. So you need to be a little bit concentrated and to be there. So yeah. So this is a very fascinating tool. Look at that. Everything is there for you. Well done, coordinated. Isn't this not beautiful, man? Okay. We're looking at other time frames. It is one and the same thing. So what am I waiting for now? I'm just waiting for something to happen. We have just confirmed we are in the selling pressure. Why? The market structure is still holding. See, we are still holding this market structure. Yeah, you may say that we took this high. Maybe I can bring this out. You may say that we had a change of character, but did we have a break of structure to the upside? No. Did we have a break of structure to the downside? Yes. I feel like I'm yapping, so let me just be quiet and we wait for the price to print. So what I'm waiting for is a sell model, all right? And this looks to be coming in the next 30 minutes. Since this hour, yeah, just waiting here, just being patient and waiting. All right, I am currently anticipating for sell setups around this level. It is not yet confirmed, but I am anticipating. Once it is confirmed, I'll be taking them. Yes, I am anticipating for sell setup here. This low, but if it is not confirmed, no setup. No confirmation, no setup. How do I confirm if this candle does not close inside this demand? If any candle closes inside this demand, the setup is null and void. Okay, all right, let's wait and see. For now, this one is outside. It is outside our range of trading, or our trading range. I wait and I wait. So setup has been confirmed, guys. Yeah, this candle did not close inside this level. If any candle closes inside this level, this setup is null and void. So this setup has been confirmed. Setup has been confirmed. I have set my sell stop here, but if any candle closes inside this demand, this trade is null and void, bro. Set my sell stop just right. Just shy of that level. Do you think it's gonna hold? Maybe, maybe not. Maybe, maybe not. Maybe yes, maybe no. Oh, we're pushing low. If this gets to my setup, I'm willing to take that. I have my sell stop ready to go. Yeah. We are what? 9 minutes. 9 minutes remain until the closure of this hourly candle. 9 minutes remain. Is the setup still valid? Let me see. Oh, the setup is not valid any longer. The setup is no longer valid. Our confirmation failed. Yeah, our confirmation failed, unfortunately. The confirmation failed. Damn. So no setup for now. No setup for now. We closed above this level, you see? But unless you have another setup, which is highly unlikely. As you can see, I have no sell stop. No sell stop placed, nothing placed. These are the setup, but there's a setup here, but there's no buffer confirmation, alright? Meaning what? It is so risky. I lack a buffer confirmation. Shit. In the next hourly candle open, there's gonna be so much volume. So what will make this setup to be valid again if a buffer occurs around this area? Okay, but now no buffer. What does that mean? If we manage to take out these lows here, then price retests back to this level, I'm willing to sell it. But for now, Nothing, nothing. No setup whatsoever, man. Sitting on your hands, sit on your hands. Oh my days, my mic was mute. My mic was mute. Oh my, oh. God damn it. You did not get whatever I was saying there. Shit. You guys did not get whatever I was saying there. Ah, shit. You guys haven't gotten anything that I said there. Oh my days, oh my days, oh my, oh gosh. Ah, my mic was mute, oh my. There we go. Vehicle is pushing down range. Oof. Are we gonna hit here? Don't be greedy. My take profit was that level. Ah, man. My mic was mute. Ah, shoot. Ah. Anyway, that is a trade. Perfectly executed based on the 3-count rule strategy. Blah blah blah. I'm still yapping. I need to go to sleep. But before I go to sleep, I need to do some coding. So this was a trade. Today this was a trade. So the sales there. All right. Yeah, those were the sales there. And I hope I showed my screen, man. I hope I showed my screen, because if I did not do that, beautiful trade, which is still pushing down. Still pushing down. This is just a beautiful push there. So yeah, look at that beauty. Man, this market is gonna come out to this particular level. God damn it. Anyway, that is the trade. I don't think I have anything to say other than happy trading. This market today, if you don't get to the 4,000 level, lies. We are likely to get to this psychological level, the 4,000 level. All right, take note. So that's how the 3-count rule strategy works. If you need this documentation, the 3-count rule documentation, I am working on it. It is coming along good. Oh my god. Still working. I'm doing this. Also, I'm working on this. I'm prompting Claudia. I'm doing a lot of things. Anyway, if I'm going to edit this, I'm gonna edit it to make a short video. Maybe you guys can watch it. People like short videos. Alright. So that's for me today. And I don't think I have anything else to say apart from happy trading. Yeah, happy trading, my G's. Don't have anything to say, just but happy trading.
Don't tell your dreams to everybody around. Some people smile but wanna see you down. Keep it quiet, don't make a sound. Let your success be what shakes the ground.
Don't tell your dreams to everybody around. Some people smile but wanna see you down. Keep it quiet, don't make a sound. Let your success be what shakes the ground.
Haven't earned a million yet, but I'm aiming for the sky. One day I'll fill a stadium, watch the crowd multiply. Talking about my hard work, now they're watching every move. This next step is just a warm-up, got a lot more to prove. Secure my position, now my partners are impressed. Used to stress at the starting line, now I'm chasing nothing less. Work smart, not hard, that's how the maximum is made. Got local currency for now, but the dollar's on the way. I cannot forgive betrayal, that's a line I won't erase. I don't need the fame, just the power and the place. Competitors chase numbers, ready, set, go, start the race. I'm running too, but with patience, keeping steady pace. Got a mentor by my side, that's the way it's meant to be. Against the crowd we stand out heavy, they can clearly see. Focused on results, never begging for attention. Built our foundation in the streets with pure intention.
Don't tell your dreams to everybody around. Some people smile but wanna see you down. Keep it quiet, don't make a sound. Let your success be what shakes the ground. Don't tell your dreams to everybody around. Some people smile but wanna see you down.
Anyway guys, see you tomorrow. Hopefully I see you tomorrow. Hopefully you see me tomorrow. Yeah, and goodbye. Have a nice one.